At least 18 people were killed when landslides triggered by relentless rain in Malin village near Pune. Operations are underway to rescue over 130 people who are still feared to be trapped under the debris. While over 400 NDRF personnel have been deployed at the site, the Home Minister is set to visit the site to take stock of the situation.
A village settlement reduced to rubble. Life snuffed out of unsuspecting residents. The tremors of the tragedy are still being felt in Malin village near Pune, as massive rescue operations are underway.
एक्चुअली ऊपर जो पहाड़ी है, बारिश की वजह से पूरा नीचे आया वो स्लाइड हो गया। तो मेन क्या जो बच्चे थे टेंपल में थे, यहाँ पे एक टेंपल था और कम से कम गांव में से कितना गिन के मतलब 20-25 आदमी बचे, बाकी सब वो मिट्टी के अंदर गए, दब गए।
Around 150 people living in approximately 50 houses in Malin village have come under the debris after a landslide struck this Malin village on Wednesday morning. There you see, we are at this site where the search and rescue operation is going on. You can see these are some remains of the village.
Soon after the tragedy, NDRF personnel pressed into action, pulling out some survivors, recovering dead bodies of several others.
Map of these 46 houses, and we are moving on the most concentrated place. Some persons may be washed away into the river down below. So in the morning we'll go for the search into the dam. We may find some dead bodies in the dam also.
The JCB machines are trying to remove the mud and debris under which the entire village is gone now. Left-hand side, if you see, these are the NDRF teams that have been deployed, and locals from adjacent villages are helping these people. Now, around 100 meters from here is this valley, the starting point of a valley.
The Chief Minister rushing to the site to take stock of the situation.
I was having full control over the situation, and either ambulances or machinery, equipment, officers, medical aid, everything is provided here.
A tough task cut out for the rescue teams, with over hundreds still trapped under the debris.
It's going to be a tough operation for NDRF and other state authorities. It's going to take at least 2 to 3 weeks to remove entire mud and debris and make sure there is no one trapped inside this. There are some of the remaining parts of village, some of the houses, and one of the parts of the temple I can see. But with every passing minute, the chances of survival is decreasing rapidly. Vishwadeep Mane, Dashidashi Singh, for Times Now.